My name's Mike. I work in the parts department here at Cox's Harley-Davidson in Rock Hill, South Carolina. I got two products today that I want to tell you about that Harley's just come out with. The first one is lithium LiFe battery. And first thing you're going to notice about this battery is the weight or the lack of weight. Depending on what bike you have, you can save between 8 and 18 pounds in weight. Another thing about the battery, a really nice feature of this battery is right here on top, you have a charge indicator that will tell you what stage of charge the battery is in. Another nice feature are the brass terminals that makes a better connection to your battery cable. And also this battery is waterproof, shockproof, and vibration resistance. And it'll fit any model bike. Some of the models of the battery will have a carrier that fits right in there. And the life expectancy on these batteries are twice what the AGM battery is. When the battery's not connected, it charges at discharges at a much lower rate than AGM battery. The second part we have is the battery tender. The next part we have is a dual mode battery tender. It's weatherproof, shock resistant, vibration resistant. First thing you'll notice is you can charge either battery with this battery tender, the AGM or the lithium battery, and it also has an indicator as to which stage the battery is charged in. These are waterproof, so whether you charging the battery where there's moisture or not, it's not going to affect your battery charging. So if you need a new battery or you just want to upgrade, come down to Cox's Harley-Davidson in Rock Hill, South Carolina. We'll be glad to show you these. Till then, ride.